Good morning, dear children, and welcome back to our online class. Right? So, as in the previous class, we had learned about the root as well as their functions and all. So, today we have to continue with our chapter. So, let us start our new topic, that is your shoot. Okay, today we have to discuss about shoot. Okay, all right. The shoot consists of stem, leaves, flower, birds, fruits, and seeds. Right? The shoot consists of what? Stem, leaves, flower, fruits, and seeds. Now we'll be studying one by one, okay, and then understand about the parts of the shoot. Okay. So start with the stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. Do you remember the stem? Which was the stem? The one which is holding the plant in a erect position, straight position, right? The stem is the main part of the shoot. Stem can be strong or weak. Yeah, it can be strong or weak. Trees such as banyan tree have a thick and strong stem called the trunk. It holds the trees straight and upright. Now, the stem of banyan tree, we can see banyan tree, the fat stem is very strong and tall also, right? So those are what? Strong stem. All right. Now, the plants such as grapevine and peas have a weak stem. They have what? Weak stem that can be broken with our hands also. But can we break that banyan tree stem? No, it is not possible. Yeah, we have to use what? Machines to break them. Right, children? Okay. Let us go through this once more. Okay. Okay, yeah. Such plants either grow along the ground or need support of other plants, walls, or the stick. That's why we see some plants, they are what? Attached with other plants or trees. Why? Because they need support for their growth. Since their stem is very weak, so they cannot be alone, right? They need support of any other plant or trees. Right, children? Or even they can take the support of sticks. Right? Okay. Let us go through once more. The stem is the main part of the shoot. Stem can be strong or weak. Trees such as banyan tree have a thick and strong stem called the trunk. This is known as trunk. Okay. The very thick and very strong stem is known as trunk. It holds the tree straight and upright. That holds the tree straight and upright means always in a standing position. Right? Okay. Now we have to let us discuss about the functions of the stem. Why is this stem needed for the plants? Let us discuss it. Point number one. The main functions of the stems are they keep the most plants upright, always in a standing position. Always they makes the plant or the trees in a straight position, that is upright. Right, children? Point number two. They bear leaves, fruits, and flowers. It is the stem which holds this what? Leaves, flowers, as well as fruits. If there is no stem, will the fruits, leaves, and flowers will be available in the plant? No. Even if it is a weak stem, it holds the leaves, flower, fruits. But if there is no stem, how these leaves, flowers, and fruits will be available there? Yes or no? Okay. Point number three, they carry water and nutrients from the root to the leaves. Now, it is the work of that stem which is attached to the upper parts of the plants as well as lower parts of the plant, that is root. Now, this stem, what they do, they absorb all the nutrients and waters which are available on the roots or the underground, and it is the work of the stem to transfer those waters or the available nutrients present in the roots to all the other parts of the plants. Right? Okay. Now point number four. They carry food from the leaves to all the other parts of the plants. Do you remember that the leaves, they are the food factory of the plants. Right? They prepares the food for all the plants, so they cannot be going alone to all the parts of the plant. So it is the work, it is the duty of the stem to carry those food from the leaves and transfer or distribute among all the parts of the plant. Right? Okay. Next point we'll talk about, some plants store surplus amount of food prepared by them in the stem. Now these are the food are prepared by plants themselves. Yes or no? The amount, when they produce more amount of food in their own tree or a plant, what they do, we can eat them. Those food items we can eat them. Yes, like some examples are sugarcane, potato and ginger, as well as radish, carrot. These are what? Root. But when you talk about stem, what we say, we can talk about sugarcane, potato and ginger. Sugarcane, potato and ginger. These are the vegetables which we eat, which are present on the stem, not underground. Right? These are what? Stems. Right, children? Okay. Let us revise what we have learned on the functions of the stem. So point number 1 says that they keep the plant upright. They keep most plant upright, means always they will be helping them to stand straight, erect, okay, upright. Then they bear leaves, flowers and fruits. They bear means what? They contains this what? Leaves, flowers and fruits. Right? Point number 3 says that they carry waters and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. It is the work of the stem to transport or to carry the waters and the available nutrients from the roots to the leaves. Okay. Next we talk about they carry food from the leaves to all the parts of the plant. It is the work of the stem to transfer those food which is prepared by the leaves to all the other parts of the plants. Right? Next we talk about sometimes the plants they prepare what? Surplus amount of food prepared by them in the stem. Surplus amount means what? When they prepare more food by themselves, that food we human beings can eat them. Yes. For example, we can talk about sugarcane, potato and ginger. These all are the food items which we eat. Yes or no? Potato and ginger we need daily in our day-to-day life. Sugarcane is a fruit we take in when needed by us. Right? We can take it any time, but it is our own wish. Whenever we want to eat, we can eat them. Right? We can see that sugarcane juice available on the roadsides. Yes. Why? That is very helpful for our health. Right? Okay. Now let us discuss about leaf. Leaf grows on the stem. Yes, we have already known that the stem bears the leaves, flowers and fruits. So obviously leaves, where they grow on the stem. They are of different shape and size and in different plants. All the different plants have different shape and size of their leaf. Why? Because if we have the same shape and size of the leaf, then we cannot be able to distinguish that which tree leaves is this, this leaf is of which tree. We are confused. So for that reason, it is the nature, God gift, okay, that the leaves are present in different shapes and size in the different plants or the trees. Right, children? Most leaves are green in color. Whichever leaves we see, what color we see in them? Always green in color. There are few which are in different colors. Right? But most leaves are what? Green in color. All are mostly green in color. Right, children? Okay. Next we talk about the structure of a leaf. Structure of a leaf. The flat surface. Okay. I'll give you a picture. Class 3 Science. Date 11/09/2020. This is our new chapter, right, children? Chapter number 5. Chapter number 5. Plants in the surrounding. plants in the surroundings. Now, okay. This is the picture of a leaf, right children? Now, when we talk about this, what is this? It is the part of a leaf which is known as stalk, S-T-A-L-K, stalk. Okay, what is this? Stalk. Then, we can see some holes present over there, like these holes. Small holes are present over there. Alright, so what are these? These are known as veins. What is this? V-E-I-N-S, veins. Like we have veins in our body, no? Plants leaves also has a veins to transport this water and nutrients or the food from all the different parts of the plants, right? Okay. Next we talk about this middle line. You have one middle line here, no? Yes or no? This middle line. What is this? This is known as midrib. Midrib. What is this known as, children? Midrib. This is the middle line which gives both the flat leaves support. Right? So what is this? Midrib. Right? Now, this part or this part, what is this known as? This is known as leaf blade. What is this known as? Leaf blade. Right? This is known as what? Stalk. Then there are small holes present in the leaf, that is known as what? Veins, for the transport of food, water and nutrients for all the parts of the plants. Then one hard line is there, that is known as what? Midrib. Okay, and then flat surface on the leaves, that is known as what? Leaf blade. Right, children? Okay, now let us read the structure of the leaf. The flat surface of the leaf is called the leaf blade. You remember this flat surface what I have shown here? This is known as what here? Leaf blade. Right? Then many small tubes called veins cover the entire leaf blade. There are small holes present in the leaf. This is known as what? Veins. Okay, this is known as what? Veins. Okay. The long tube passing through the middle of the leaf from the tip to the end is called the midrib. Here, this one from the tip to the bottom, top, tip to top. Okay, this part is known as what? Midrib. Midrib. Right, children? Okay. Our stalk connects the leaf to the stem. This leaf is connected with the stem. How? With the help of this stalk. Okay, stalk. This is known as stalk, which is connecting the leaf with the stem. Okay, then tiny openings are there on the leaves, that is known as what? Stomata. What they do? They help the plant to take in and give out air. Like we human beings, plants also breathe. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide, they give out oxygen. And we human beings, we breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. So by this, there is a balance. By this, there is a balance in the nature. That plants are using carbon dioxide, they give us oxygen, and we take in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide for the plant. That's why there is a balance in the nature. Right? So, the leaf is connected with the stem with what? Stalk, and there are tiny openings on the leaves. What is it known as? It is known as stomata. And what this stomata do? They helps the plant to take in and give out air. Air means what? Carbon dioxide or oxygen. Right? Okay. So, I hope this much will be enough for today. Okay. In the next class, we will be going with the functions of the leaves and so on. Right, children? Okay. I want you to go through the video, go through your book, learn. Wherever you have doubts, clear your doubts. Right? Thank you.